Well, hello everyone. Man, I am excited about this. I know, like a surface cleaner, how do you get excited about that? But I really do like pressure washing, and this is a big upgrade for me. So I'm going to unbox this, and I'll also be showing you the old one that I'm upgrading from and the problems I had with it. It worked great for a summer, but I'm hoping this one will last for quite a bit longer. So, of course, as you can see, I ordered this from Amazon. This is the Indo, Edou. I hope I said, maybe it's Edo. I'm not quite sure about that. 16.8-inch surface cleaner. And let's just kind of show you. There's the box that it came in. I don't know if you can get these in your local hardware store or not, but it looks like a pretty good one. So, well, we'll see though. I'm going to put it to a test this weekend and see how well it really works. But for right now, just get it opened up and let everybody, see what's in the box. So, just get that open. A couple of things I upgraded here. This is a stainless steel model, and the original low cost model I had was plastic. So certainly the stainless steel is practically indestructible. And it's a light stainless steel. I like stainless steel. It's lightweight and really hard, and at least when it's new, kind of shiny. I don't know what this is. Some sort of a rag or something. I'm just not sure about that gizmo. Just turning that washer arm, bearings feel great. Of course, it's brand new, but the bearings feel good. Now these little caster wheels, I was really looking forward to that, and also that attachment point. That looks like that's a really well made component. But I was thinking with those caster wheels, it would just be a lot easier to maneuver around. My old one just had the brushes on the bottom, and after a few hours, it kind of got tiresome. This unit comes with a couple of extensions, and I've already. I mean, you can buy these extensions just as separate items, but it's nice that it came with it, and that gives me another 3 feet or so of extension, so I can, keep the handle a little higher. Well, so anyway, I don't know what else there is to say. It looks like it's well made. It's a little bit larger. It's a small instruction book. I can do a little cutaway and show you what that's about. Oh, and it also has this little came with the little repair parts or replacement parts. I got some extra little nozzles and some Teflon tape. So I guess after a year or so, or at some point, you could replace those nozzles, and that would be good, just to keep it running, right? Don't have to. This is considerably more expensive than the old model. So yeah, man, that smooth action there. So anyway, let me grab the other one and bring it out here. Oh, I didn't get those things hooked correctly. That's not a. I just didn't hook them on correctly. Um, there's the Teflon tape and the extra nozzles that they put in the kit. So anyway, let me grab the other one and show you the difference. If you don't have one, get one of these rolling tables too, man. Those things are great. I just got that at Home Depot a few years ago. It's really a really handy tool to have around. Man, smooth. So here's the first one that I bought, and I've really used the heck out of this one this summer. It's about $40, I think, for that one, and the new one's 150. So it's a big price difference. You can see it's a few inches larger, but and of course no castering wheels. But the main thing is this old one, it it got loose in the middle. The bearings are just. Can you hear it rattling in there? It just won't tighten down. I I think that big inch and a half nut could tighten, but I tried. I couldn't get it to move. It's like the plastic is welded or something. Um, and you can see it's just there's sand in there now, and it just doesn't turn as smoothly. So I guess for the extra money, you're getting stainless steel, better connectors, castering wheels. So I'm hoping this new one will be a little bit better. But we'll see this weekend. Thank you for watching, and take care out there. Merry Christmas to everyone. See ya.